Did you know that figs were once so highly prized in ancient Greece that they were considered a symbol of prosperity and even reserved as gifts for the gods? In fact, some historians believe that figs may have been one of the very first fruits cultivated by humans, cherished not just for their sweet, luscious taste, but for their powerful medicinal properties. Across thousands of years and countless cultures, figs have held a reputation as a natural remedy, used to soothe ailments, support digestion, and provide vital nourishment when other foods were scarce. Today, modern science is revealing why figs have endured as such a beloved fruit, uncovering a treasure trove of health benefits hidden within their tender flesh and crunchy seeds. So, why should you pay attention to this humble fruit? Whether you're seeking to boost your overall wellness, tackle specific health challenges, or simply add more nutrient-rich foods to your daily routine, figs might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing. They're not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with nutrients that support a range of bodily functions. As we unravel the many ways figs can enhance your health, you'll discover why they deserve a place at your table, from breakfast to dessert. Let's start by looking at some of the common health concerns many people face today. Digestive problems, like bloating, constipation, and irregularity, are unfortunately all too familiar. With the rise of processed foods and low-fiber diets, our digestive systems often don't get the support they need to function optimally. At the same time, deficiencies in key vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, are increasingly common, leading to fatigue, weakened bones, and a host of other issues. And then, of course, there's the ongoing battle to maintain a healthy weight and keep our hearts in good working order, challenges that are closely linked to what we eat each day. This is where figs come in. One of the standout features of figs is their impressive fiber content. Just a few dried figs can deliver a significant portion of your daily fiber needs, helping to keep your digestive system moving smoothly and efficiently. The soluble fiber in figs acts as a gentle, natural laxative, drawing water into the intestines and softening stool, which can be especially helpful for those struggling with constipation. But fiber does more than just aid digestion. It also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, lowering cholesterol, and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The prebiotic fibers in figs feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which are essential for immune function and even mental health. Beyond fiber, figs are bursting with antioxidants. These powerful compounds, including polyphenols and flavonoids, help protect your cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Over time, oxidative stress can contribute to chronic inflammation, aging, and diseases like cancer and heart disease. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like figs can bolster your body's defenses, reducing inflammation and supporting cellular health. Figs also contain small but significant amounts of vitamins A and K, both of which are important for maintaining healthy skin, eyes, and bones. Another nutritional advantage of figs is their mineral content. Figs are a good source of potassium, a mineral that's vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and proper muscle function. Higher potassium intake is often recommended to counteract the effects of sodium in the diet, which can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of heart disease. Figs also contain calcium and magnesium, two minerals that work together to strengthen bones and teeth, support muscle contractions, and keep nerves functioning smoothly. For those who avoid dairy or are looking for plant-based sources of these nutrients, figs are a delicious and natural option. But perhaps the most compelling health benefit of figs lies in their ability to support heart health. Numerous studies have shown that the combination of fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and other phytonutrients in figs can have a protective effect on the cardiovascular system. The soluble fiber in figs helps lower LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, by binding to cholesterol particles in the digestive tract and carrying them out of the body. Meanwhile, the potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the arteries and lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Antioxidants further protect blood vessels from damage and inflammation, while magnesium helps maintain a steady heartbeat and prevents the buildup of plaque in the arteries. For those concerned about weight management, figs offer yet another advantage. Their high fiber content promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help curb overeating and support healthy weight loss. Unlike many sugary snacks, figs provide natural sweetness along with important nutrients, making them a smart alternative for satisfying your sweet tooth without derailing your health goals. Let's not forget about figs' potential to support blood sugar control. Despite their natural sweetness, figs have a relatively low to moderate glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar compared to refined carbohydrates. When enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, figs can be a healthy choice for people managing diabetes or looking to avoid energy crashes. In summary, figs are far more than a tasty treat. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can help address some of the most common dietary challenges we face today. From improving digestion and supporting heart health to providing essential vitamins and minerals and helping you manage your weight, figs earn their reputation as a superfood. Their unique blend of fiber, antioxidants, and minerals makes them a valuable addition to any balanced diet, whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or incorporated into your favorite recipes. So, the next time you're searching for a snack or an ingredient that offers both flavor and function, remember the secret health benefits of figs, cherished by ancient civilizations and validated by modern science. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the hidden gems of the food world, don't forget to subscribe and join us on a journey to better health, one delicious discovery at a time.